We are about to make my skinny chips and fire roasted salsa verde. It is so good. And the great thing about my skinny chips are they're super easy to make, and 10 chips are less than 2 grams of fat. Now, where are you gonna find 10 tortilla chips for less than 2 grams of fat? It's just not heard of. So what you do is you just buy your regular store-bought tortillas, okay? Now you read the nutrition facts label, and what's cool is 1 tortilla is less than 1 gram of fat. Well, in 1 tortilla, you get 8 chips. I'll show you how I do it. So you just take a stack of the corn tortillas, cut them in half, boom. Then you cut them again into 4s, cut them into 8s. Here, we're going. Now you've got your little chips. What you want to do is you want to take some cooking spray in a sheet pan, just spray with a little bit of oil on the bottom, some cooking spray. Really simple. You just lay them out. Boom, boom, boom. Super easy. Hit it again with a little bit of cooking spray. Okay. Then a little bit of sea salt. Just sprinkle a little bit on top here. Okay. There. And we're going to just put a little bit of pepper. Now we're going to make our fire roasted salsa verde. Super simple. Again, baking sheet, you spray with some cooking spray. Just get it nice and oiled there. You take tomatillos. So I've already peeled off the husks. You go ahead and throw them on the sheet. You probably want to get them in the middle, somewhere in the middle. I also use 4 plum tomatoes. You don't have to. You could do all tomatillos. I find when I make this that it tastes a little bit better when you add some red tomato. 1 Anaheim chili, yum, 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 for the heat. And then you want to take 6 cloves of garlic. I've peeled them and you're just going to set them on there. Spray it. Kind of want to douse it down with spray. You're going to roast these. No chopping, no nothing. It's the simplest salsa in the world to make. Again, a little bit of sea salt. Just sprinkle it over. A little bit of pepper. I have to put pepper on everything. Honestly, if I had my way, I'd be sprinkling a bunch of cayenne on here, but we're gonna go easy. So now you've got your vegetables ready to go into the oven and your chips. So we're gonna set this guy down here. So these vegetables have been roasting in the oven for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees. All you do, once they're roasted, is you drop them into your blender. So beyond easy. So what you do is you just want to cut bits of your Anaheim chili and just put a little bit into the blender at a time, and just add like a handful of cilantro into your salsa. Blend, add some salt, taste as you go. As much salt or as little salt as you want, and as much heat or as little heat as you want. Here's the end result.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.